Hello friends, welcome back to the DomainRacer, and this is one of the interesting topic, how much traffic a particular plan can handle. So let's begin with the process. Before going in the depth of this, we need to understand what a website contains. Each website has some resources. If you are loading a single page from the backend, there are a lot of things will be loaded in your browser. Few of them, the mainly HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images and videos. So that actually directly impact the performance and speed of the website. To understand it better, how much traffic or web traffic can handle by the web server. To understand bandwidth better, we had created an animated video to understand you how you can able to calculate and what is bandwidth. The video is given in the description of the video, as well as you can able to click on I icon. You can able to betterly optimize your website. The video is also given in the description of this video. Now we are reaching towards our answer. Let's move to the next point. When you are loading any website, it has resources, and if you calculate all resources, that means if your website has 1 MB total resources, means if user wanted to load a website, that time a single request is called as a 1 MB data server has to send. So here it is a concept comes, and we are categorized into 3 different parts. First one is static. In the static, directly content get delivered, so no processing required. So in this case, if you are hosting your website on any plan, CPU will not create a problem. The most of time, each and every company offers you 1 CPU core in a basic hosting plan. Now we will discuss from static content. In the static content, the website or server directly deliver the content to the customer. In this case, no processing required. So the processing speed is not the concern in this case. So you can able to choose any web hosting plan to get a better hosting or better traffic. And to add a more cherry to this, you can able to use CDN, Content Delivery Network. So in this case, you can consider if your website handles 20,000 visitors a month, with the help of CDN, you can able to scale up to 60,000 visitors a month. Now we will move towards blog. Before discussing this point, we have to understand if you are starting your website, that time you never has to worry about how much traffic a particular hosting plan can handle, because here you are starting your website, and at the start itself you are having a query how much traffic it can handle. That time you might get confused, because here you need to first drive your traffic. We have seen that mostly from first 6 months website need a time to build, create and generate the traffic, and after that slowly the traffic get increased. About a blog and WordPress, we can able to handle a traffic, but when we talk about WordPress, it has a lot of plugins and themes which actually varies the website traffic. If your website need 2 or 3 plugins, in that one plugin needs a lot of server consumption, so that time definitely if your website handles 40,000 visitors, it can handle only 5,000 visitors, because the website plugins has a problem. Here in simple words, we would like to say you the website traffic handling is directly proportional to the many factors. In that, few of them are how much your website is consuming resources. Second, how much traffic frequently you are getting. Third, whether your website is well optimized or not. To understand how to optimize website, we had given a video link in the description of this video. When you are starting your blog or having a traffic under 10,000 per month, so that time you never has to worry about which plan you are choosing. But if it is getting higher, then you have to increase your plans accordingly, because when you have a high traffic, then you have a higher earning. So definitely you have to purchase a premium hosting and upgrade your plan slowly based on your traffic needs. Nothing in this world is unlimited or free. So make sure that if you are earning something, you have to pay something to get that earning stable. And mostly people do a mistakes here, because they might think that if they are earning $1,000, they are spending $20 per year on a hosting. This is the wrong thing. This is what the mistake they will do, because here they have a huge traffic. They are earning $1,000 per month. Then $2 hosting or $5 hosting is not for them. If your earning increase, so definitely you have to increase your server performance or server hardware. On the other hand, if you talk about laptop or computer, we personally upgrade it timely basis, then why not the server has to be upgraded? Now the third point is remaining, that is e-commerce website. When we talk about e-commerce website, in this case you have to make sure that the traffic is not one factor. Here you have to also consider CPU and server consumption, because in the blog and static content, the CPU or server consumption is very less, but in e-commerce case, server consumption is very high. This means we need a higher plan for the e-commerce website. The most of cases, the people need VPS hosting or a dedicated server. Please don't misunderstood this concept, because e-commerce is like a heavy game which needs a more and more RAM, more and more storage, and this is what the video is all about. In this case, you have understanding about how you can able to differentiate your website, you can able to measure your website and understand which plan is best for your website. If you still have a doubt, you can able to comment or contact our support department, so they are available 24/7. If you have any queries about domain, hosting or services, you can able to comment below, or you can able to give your feedback. And please like, share and subscribe this video, so we will come up with a new video.